Hello, smart kids. Before we learned subject pronouns like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Today we are learning another type of personal pronouns. They are called object pronouns. Object pronouns receive the action. Let's learn them together. Look at this. Mom hugs me. The action is hugs. Who receives the hug? Me. We say, Mom hugs me. Dad calls you. Who receives the call? You. Dad calls you. I give a ball to Tom. Instead of saying to Tom, we say, I give a ball to him. We use him for a boy. Teacher helps Maria. Teacher helps her. We use her for a girl. Grandma gives cookies to the children. Grandma gives cookies to us. Us means me and others together. Mom waves at the boys. Mom waves at them. Them means many people. The dog chases the ball. The dog chases it. We use it for things or animals. Amazing job! Today we learned me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are called object pronouns. Great job, kids! Keep learning with Amazesphere Kids. Bye-bye. See you again.